Hey everybody, and welcome back to Empty Pockets Ironworks. Thank you for joining us this week. We have a special giveaway that we're going to be doing in lieu of us hitting the huge milestone of actually surpassing 2,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel. So what we're going to do is we actually had an individual that watched our videos contact us via email. He contacted this lovely woman right here. This is Lolly. This is the one that you talk to when you message Empty Pockets. She's bookkeeper, boss, financial advisor, keeps me out of trouble. She's everything. She's the better half of Empty Pockets Ironworks. So anyway, say hi, Lolly.
Hi everybody.
So she's going to help me Vanna White a couple of items here. These were given to us by a Mr. Moss, and I will leave a description or a link to the eBay listing if you want to purchase one of these yourself if you don't win. But what we have is two of these 60-degree V swage blocks. Now what's really cool about these is on his listing he actually has a hole drilled through these. There's a clamp bracket that actually mounts to the top of your anvil, and he asked me how I wanted them sent to me, and I didn't know how I was going to actually mount said swage block, so I had him send them to me raw. And because I may end up welding it to a surface, I may do something totally different, but he was nice enough to send us two. So with that, I think we've both been kind of in agreement, very similar to our last giveaway. As long as it's within the continental US and you follow the aforementioned steps, then you can be entered to win one of these, and we will send that to you free of charge. So Lolly, if you want to take over, tell them how they can win one of these awesome swage blocks.
Okay, so all you really need to do is, of course, like Empty Pockets Facebook or YouTube page, right? Channel, same thing. Comment, like this video that this is on. Share.
Yes. Okay, I'm gonna help her out here. She's not used to being on this end of the camera.
No.
Okay, all you need to do is share this video that we're doing today. Okay, invite people to like or subscribe to our channel. In doing so, just at the top of it, when you share it, say, hey, check these guys out. He's a goofball, he's great at what he does, or he sucks. Either way, check it out, and make sure that you're subscribed to our channel. So you share the video, and then comment down below, done. As long as you live within the continental US, we will put you in for a drawing. And we will do the drawing, today's the 23rd, so let's do the drawing 1 month from now. Okay? That work for you?
Works for me.
Makes it easy. So we'll do the drawing, so as long as you comment done down below, you can be entered for your chance to win one of these really cool 60-degree swage blocks from Mr. Moss. And what's really neat about that is you've seen me use my 2 tow hitch balls all the time. Practically every project that I do in the shop, I utilize those at some point in time. And this is going to be really awesome for us. We're Empty Pockets Ironworks. It's hard for us to amass any sort of outsourced spending, even on equipment. You know, I would love to have, and I'm not plugging this, but I would love to have a New Holland swage block. But, you know, in all honesty, we can't afford it. We have a large family, and we're just trying to do what we can. We do our trade shows, that sort of thing. I work full-time, I do this on the side, and I make videos. So, with that, I'm going to have her show you guys kind of what we're going to be making today. So, alright, so today's video, the one that you're going to be sharing, is we are going to be making a bull elephant bust. This here is really cool. He's got the snout. I'll show some pictures up somewhere on the screen of it a little bit more close up. It's a really cool project. We're going to be making this out of 1-inch square bar. We're going to be using the Coal Ironworks forging press and of course the Trenton anvil. Very traditional as far as forging the majority of the head out. And it was a really cool project. This was the first one. I did it yesterday. And if I can do it, hopefully I can, because I might be shooting myself in the foot here. I want to make the trunk a little bit longer on the one that we make today, and maybe make like a door knocker out of it. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. If it ends up a door knocker, then everything went according to plan. If it ends up looking like this, then it still went according to plan, and we're just going to scratch everything that I just said. So, regardless, that's what we're going to be making. Should be a really fun project. I had fun making this one yesterday. So follow along. Remember, like the video, subscribe, tick the notification bell. We upload new content every
week.
Put her on the spot. So, new content every week, and I have a load of fun doing this. Thank you guys so much for everything that you do. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all the comments. And this little chunk of iron right here could be yours. All you have to do is share the video, comment done, invite your friends to like us and subscribe. Let's get started. Okay folks, so here's our head. Here is our either our door knocker, or I guess you could use this thing as a towel holder too. Pretty cool. Got our backing plate, 2 tusks, and our 2 ears. I'm gonna drill a couple holes in this so that it can be mounted, and then we'll get to welding this thing up.